everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason, and as you saw from the opening, this is an unboxing channel. So if this is the first time that you have seen my videos, I typically do beauty box subscriptions, some spirituality themed box subscriptions, but I'm now trying to venture out a little bit and do some more different types of boxes. And today's video will actually be one of those new boxes for me. So this is going to be a new subscription to me called the Plant Club. So this particular subscription is $24.95. I'll put the exact price either up in the video or down in the description, but it's about $25 a month, and you get one plant. In the box, you're supposed to get the plant, decorative pot to put it in, the potting soil, and some like decorative rocks to go on top of the plant, I believe. So let's go ahead and dig into this first box. It comes in a box like this, big box, and on the side it says the Plant Club, and it does have on the top here, this side up, fragile. So let's go ahead and figure out how this box opens. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to cut the side here. Let me just go ahead and pull out my handy little Avame here and cut the side. And let's hope that I don't spill this all over the place. So when you open it up, all right. Okay, so when you open it up, looks like this inside. And let's go ahead and look at the little pamphlet that they give you. It's a cute little pamphlet. This is volume number 48. This is the heart leaf. I am going to totally butcher the name of this plant. The Philodendron cortatum. Philodendron cortatum. So greetings, plant friend. Check out this Brazilian native Philodendron cordatum. This lush species has taken over forests from top to bottom with its quick-growing vine growth habit. If allowed, the vines of this plant will use other structures, such as trees and the surface of rocks, to climb up and across. Don't let its trailing habits define this free grower. Let me say that again. Don't let its trailing habits define this free grower, though. Placing this tropical specimen on a high shelf will allow you to enjoy watching as it cascades freely over the sides of its container and possibly all the way to the floor. Inside this box, it says here you will have the heart leaf, a polished jade pebble, a ceramic Andrea pot, premium soil blend, and bamboo tag. Okay, so, and then it gives you tips and tricks for happy plants. It gives you the care instructions for this plant. So all of that is in this little book here. Now let's go ahead. The first thing I'm going to pull out here is, this is the little bamboo post that they give you to put inside the plant so that you know what type of plant it is. Give you a little pencil, give you a little candy and a little magnet for it, so it's cute. Let's go ahead and I got another little pin here, little certified plant member here, and let's pull out the pot. Okay, so this is the pot comes separately in a box like this. They definitely pack it well. The one thing I was worried about with this particular subscription was that the lack of oxygen, I guess, for the plant. So I wasn't sure on about how long the plant would last in the box without damaging it a little bit, but we'll see when we get to the plant part. We'll see if it's how healthy it looks. I am not necessarily the green thumb in my household, so I will check with my husband to see what he thinks of the health of the plant. But you know, I can kind of look at it and see. Inside the box, it does come bubble wrap. So again, they're making sure that this is very well protected. And this is a pretty pot. Wow, that is really pretty. This is the pot. It's got a textured side here and then the smooth top. And it's got the bottom there. It does have a little drainage hole inside, but it's got, you know, the tray here that's attached to it. It does look like, I don't know if it's got some holes along the outside here, so I think you just have to be careful that obviously you don't overwater, but all those instructions will be in the instructions. So I really like this pot. This is a really nice ceramic pot, so I'm happy with that. You get these little jade decorative rocks to put on top after you've planted the plant. The soil in this bag here. Okay, there should be more than enough soil for a small pot like this. And I don't think, besides the plant, I don't think there's anything else in there. So this is how they wrap the plant. And let's go ahead and get this plant out and see what it looks like. This is, it's nice and, looks nice and healthy to me. See a few yellow leaves there, but overall it looks like a very healthy plant, in my inexperienced opinion. So again, this is called, oh, I've got dirt all over the place here. Word of warning, when you get your shipment, if you do decide to subscribe, make sure that you unbox it over something because the dirt will get places. So the heart leaf, Philodendron cordatum. All right, that is my first The Plant Club unboxing. I'm gonna obviously wait until I get maybe a couple more subscriptions, but I'm happy with it so far. We'll see if I can keep this plant alive. More than likely my husband will keep it alive. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. And again, if you have suggestions for specific boxes that you might want to see unboxed, go ahead and comment in the comments below, and we'll see if it's something that I'm really interested in doing, or if maybe enough people request it, then we can go ahead and do that. I have made a list of some other boxes that I want to go ahead and try at some point, so I'm excited to give those a shot. I will be getting a new beauty subscription box. Look fantastic. So as soon as I get that first box, I will post that video as well. On a side note, I have 2 beauty subscriptions that I was supposed to get this month in October that still have not come. And it is, what is today? Today is the 30th. Today is October 30th. So I'm not happy about that. I have canceled both of those orders. So when I get those orders, I will do the unboxing and let you know my full opinion on both the box and the company and why I have canceled. So look out for those. Hopefully those will be here within a week or 2. And other than that, everybody stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.